Welcome to MINDICOR. Today I'll show you how to open an online business bank account step by step. Fast, easy, and without any confusing paperwork. Before you apply, make sure you have these ready. Your ID or passport, your business registration documents, tax number or VAT number if you have one, business address and contact info, and if you have partners, their ownership details. Having these ready makes the process 5 times faster. Choose a bank based on your needs, no monthly fees, fast approvals, good mobile app, international payments supported, and low transaction costs. Popular online business banks include Revolut Business, Wise, N26 Business, Mercury, Konto, and others. Go to the bank's official website and click Open Account or Sign Up. You'll enter your personal details, company information, type of business activity, and expected annual revenue. Make sure everything matches your registration documents. Most banks ask for a selfie video, a photo of your ID, and proof of address. Verification normally takes 5 minutes to 24 hours. Once approved, you'll receive your business IBAN or account number, access to your online dashboard, the option to issue business cards, and tools for invoicing and payments. Your online business bank account is now ready to use. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more fast how-to guides about online tools, business, and smart digital workflows.